Now we're gonna head up the road to another family-run business, but this time it's a bakery. And let me tell you something, these pies are delicious. Okay, so we were staying at the Oregon Gardens Resort, beautiful place. Dinner came out and they bring out these pies. It was Marionberry pie with ice cream. I mean, that's it, that's all I needed to see. And once I tasted it, it was off the chart. And then they say, well, these pies are local. Well, how local? 15 minutes down the road local. Come with me, meet the owners of Willamette Valley Pie Company. This is my new friend, Andrew Martin, one of the owners and operators of the Willamette Valley Pie Company.
Yeah, welcome to Willamette Valley Pie Company. You found us out here in the middle of farmland.
I did.
The Willamette Valley Pie Company. No, yeah, we've been making pies and I'm glad you got to try a piece of it.
So I was here last week.
Okay.
I've had pie every day since I left.
Is that right?
Yeah, I've already ate through like, I don't know, it's like 7 pieces of your pie.
Good thing there's a lot of fruit in there, huh? There's a little bit of sugar and fat as well, but there's a lot of fruit in it.
But I would love to just hear your story. I mean, the fact that your grandfather started, then your father ran, and now you're running the place out in Silverton.
Something like that. Willamette Valley Pie Company really had its roots in GNC Farms. GNC Farms is my family farm, and we're just down the road from here. But great-grandpa started farming in the 20s, and out of that, my grandpa incorporated into GNC Farms in the 60s and 70s is really when the farm took off. And we grow everything that a normal farm grows, from green beans to, we've done corn, we've done wheat, we've got a ton of grass seed, but berries is a major part of what we do. And in 1999, Willamette Valley Fruit Company got started just here on our farmland. That's why the store is out here. We were just processing the berries off of the field. And we had access to the best fruit in the world. And we decided we need to kind of be able to control our own fruit a little bit more rather than just sell it out on the open market. Out of that, we connected with a local gal and we started making these pies because we wanted a place where we could use our own fruit for a value-added product, right? From 2001 until now, it's just the pies continue to grow like crazy. And Willamette Valley Pie now, we make thousands of pies every single day, and we're selling pies to people all across the country, and cobblers and frozen fruit, whole bunch of different stuff. But we've been making pies for quite a while now, and it's crazy to see where it's started and where we've grown to.
You've done an incredible job. Yeah. I can tell your heart is in this.
I love it.
So you said you ran the Columbine thing.
When I grew up, I've got a twin brother, and so we started working at the same time, and he paid us 10 cents a pipe to move it, but there was 2 of us on each end of the pipe. So we got 5 cents a pipe. From there, I started driving tractor, mowing, just simple things, and then driving combines and swathers all through the night. It's a whole world out there farming and all the different machinery, but I got out of that because I wanted a little bit more control of my summers. My 2 brothers are still doing it, and I work in the office now, eat a little bit of pie myself, and I have a great time.
Well, that's not because of the pie.
No, definitely
These
not.
guns are for the pie. These got these guns for the pie.
I've got guns. Don't tell, my wife doesn't agree.
Well, let's check this place out.
So this store has just grown and grown. I remember when it first started out, it was like we're watching for a car to come, and then we're like shining the case, ready for people to walk in. And now it's busy. Summers are the busiest, and we have a ton of people coming to play outside and do all that stuff. But we're selling a variety of local products. And so here you're seeing, we've got our Marionberry lattice pie.
Favorite, right there, Marionberry.
We got caramel apple, we've got key lime. And then out here at the store, we also have a whole lot of our kind of legacy flavors that you can't find in a lot of other places as well. But yeah, we got peach pies and cherry pies galore, along with our mini pies. We've got some cobblers somewhere back there, and the peach cobbler is an old family recipe from our original bakery manager, and she put that together, and it's just phenomenal. And then we've got frozen fruit as well.
You have to bake these. These are cool. These are coming ready to bake.
These are frozen raw. People take them home and they bake themselves.
Yeah. Otherwise,
and then this is the table where we have all of our baked products. So we've got like jams and syrups and t-shirts and everything else as well. But pies are the calling card.
Oh, well, I'll be taking some pies home today. I'm going to be loading up.
Love it. Here at the Case, they do a ton of phenomenal stuff over here. These Marionberry cinnamon rolls, they're so good. That's a very new product for us here at the store. And then they've got
Marionberry turnovers.
The turnovers are awesome. They're a big, crowd.
This is going to be a long drive home. Actually, it's going to be a really good drive home.
It's good.
Really
you got
good.
sugar and you'll just
Sugar and coffee the whole way home.
Yeah. But they've added some Marionberry lemonades and some shortcakes as well. Marionberry and strawberry.
Marionberry lemonade?
The Marionberry lemonade.
Sue's still here. Aunt Sue's still here. Aunt Sue, you didn't go anywhere. Aunt Sue, everybody, this is Aunt Sue. This is Aunt Sue right here. She thought she was gonna get away from the camera. No.
You popped around the corner at the right time.
I saw you.
I think we should get them a Marionberry.
No, but I would
lemonade.
love to try a Marionberry lemonade. Talk about the proverbial kid in a candy store. As if the pies and the scones and the cookies weren't enough. Then they make you this Marionberry lemonade. I mean, come on.
Yeah, we got some ice cream here on top of our Marionberry pie. And this is the staple.
Crazy.
This is what everybody comes for
This is
right
it,
here. Yeah. They're so good. It's fantastic.
I'll tell you what, you made my day special today. You made my week special last week.
Oh, appreciate it. Vinny.
And I have been honestly looking forward to coming back and meeting you.
Wonderful.
And Sue, and I'm taking some pies home with me today.
Sure thing.
Not only just the pie, but with your company and in your beautiful setting. I mean, honestly, you can't beat that.
It's the best. I mean, it gets rainy here in the winters, but summers in Oregon and the valley is just the best. And my wife and I, we pinch each other every single day of like, this is where we get to live and this is where we get to raise kids.
And work and everything else. Yep.
Yep. It's a beautiful thing. Get out of here.